Hey friends, if you encounter OneDrive error 0x8004de40 or 0x8004de88 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. So all you need to do is go to fast.com and hit enter. Okay, you can check whether the internet speed is good enough or not. The next solution is to modify internet properties. Now I'll tell you how this has to be done. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open internet properties. Go to the advanced tab. Now scroll a little. You'll have to scroll till TLD. Yeah, TLD 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Disable all of these. Click on apply. Then on OK to save the settings. After this, you can disable proxy settings. So go to the same page, inetcpl.cpl. This time go to connections, LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. After this, you can reset OneDrive. Now, how would you reset OneDrive? So right click on OneDrive and then you can go to settings and then you can go to sync and backup, and then you can unsync it and then sync it again. I'll tell you. And the last solution is a network reset. Now, why a network reset? I could have suggested you to flush DNS and reset the WinSock, etc. But all of these commands, including resetting the TCP/IP protocol, are a part of network reset itself. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left, sorry, network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, scroll down, click on network reset, click on reset now and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.